Welcome to Qredo. In this video, we'll guide you through a quick and hassle-free registration process that takes less than 5 minutes. Click the Register Now link and begin by providing some information and choosing a strong password. Remember, it's crucial to select a strong password to ensure the security of your account. Once you've chosen a password, keeping it safe and secure is essential. Now, check your inbox for the verification code and enter it to verify your email address. Congratulations, your email is now verified. Now let's talk about the Qredo signing app. What exactly is it? The Qredo signing app is a powerful multi-factor authentication tool via which you authorize actions such as transactions, account changes, and web app sign-ins. Let's download the app. Before proceeding, please consider a secure method of storing your seed phrase secure. Open the Qredo signing app on your phone. Tap the Scan QR button and scan the above QR code. This will pair your Qredo profile with your Qredo signing app. Congratulations, you have paired your mobile device with your Qredo identity. Next, follow the instructions on your Qredo signing app to set up your device's biometrics, passcode, and master seed. You will then be asked to confirm your seed phrase. These 24 words will be used to recover the signing app if your mobile device is lost, stolen, or damaged. Please ensure that your master seed is kept in a safe place. Congratulations on successfully registering. Now let's log in for the first time and create your first workspace. Workspaces are the central hubs for collaboration and digital assets management. Feel free to choose a name that best represents your organization, line of business, project, country, or any other purpose that suits your needs, and select the preferred fiat currency for your business. Log in first time and create a workspace. Once your workspace is set up, embark on a guided tour with our helpful tool to explore all the amazing features and functionalities Qredo has to offer. Take a tour of the platform. Congratulations, you have completed your first steps on the Qredo platform. Thank you for joining us on this journey.